Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to protect our workbook or our worksheet on Excel, right? So what you need to understand is that it is possible for you guys to protect your data by including a password on your document in such a way that if someone needs to access your document, he will need to include a password before getting access to your document. So how do you protect it? First thing first, you go in the file tab, and in the info group you're going to see the protect workbook. You click there, and then you're going to have encrypt with password. You include the password. So let's have a password. And then we click on OK. You re-enter the password. Good. As you can see, it has changed into a password is required to open this document, meaning if I close this document, if I close up this document and then I try to access the document, let me have it. Good. Good. So let me try to access the document. Now I save the document into the desktop. Good. So this is the document. So let me try to open. Good. So automatically they've asked me for a password. So let me try to open to enter the password. Good. So as you can see, I have entered the password and automatically my document has been opened. So this is how we protect our workbook on Excel. So we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and share. So bye bye.